All right. This is a devlog for a new project I'm working on after my Twine game, and I'm just gonna do some periodic devlogs for this game and Magic Kingdom Daymare. I do have a like working title for this game, but I don't want to give it out just yet. Um, So this is what I'm going to attempt to do is make a first person um, dungeon crawler type of um, like Doom-esque type game with all of my characters from uh, Magic Kingdom Daymare, and and I have the editor I'm using is called Easy FPS editor. I don't know how to code. I don't know that much about other game engines besides like a little bit of Maya, a little bit of Unity, and very little Unreal. And I just want to make something, test it out, make levels, some like really basic stuff, and just like really play around with like the art and like level design and all that good stuff. And so I decided to use Easy FPS Editor, and I started to make an unfinished map, the first floor. And what I really like about Easy FPS Editor is that you can just like really just like click and drag your assets and kind of some with some basic editing, this like Photoshop or like animation editing software, you can really have like a prototype up, which was like really nice to start with for someone who's starting to get into like game development. And I just want to show this to y'all and then just to give y'all like just little updates here and there on multiple different projects I am working on. So I am in Easy FPS Editor, and I'm going to click this icon to test the game. It'll eventually show up. And yeah, I haven't, this is the kind of like the start menu, which I need to put in a lot of stuff. Like we have load game, new game, settings, exit game. All this will be my artwork that some of you already know, but let's get into the game. So I have this like really hard to look at scene right now, and I have one weapon right now, and I can actually start hitting stuff. And I'm in this room. I'm really just trying to test things out right now and then figure out the lore later. But I have a few, I have these like bat enemies I put in, and so you get a hit on. These are like supposed to be like a little bit weaker enemies, and I'm just like this punching glove. Um, I kill them really fast. So like I either want to kind of change a few things, and put like a death animation for these bats, take out the blood and put like something a little bit more goofy, like a green color, like a super bright green. Um, all things I need to kind of work with, but I really trying to get a retro game crawler feel with some Doom elements. There we go. These are just weak enemies. I really dislike the blood. Not because like I don't like blood. It's just it's not what I'm going for. I want something super cartoony. And yeah, I really need a death animation for these as well. I have another enemy which is like a big bear type of character, which takes more damage off of you, but it's like a lot slower. Yeah, let's get hit by this guy. Yeah, it's a you kind of I want to go for that Kingsfield kind of Eternal Ring vibe that you kind of have to like take a few hits, move back. Yeah, if you're not paying attention, he'll definitely like hit you, and I'm like at 11%. So they really pack a punch, and it's going to back me in a corner. So you got to move out of the way. Maybe this glove. Oops, I am stuck, and it's dead. Yeah, definitely need a death animation in here because I can't tell that they're dead. They just kind of the PNG just kind of stays there, and that should be my next update when I get on here is just a little bit more level design, some assets in here, change a few colors, um, give the bats and this gummy bear a a different some different animations in here, and change the blood. So yeah, that's my game dev for my like um first person dungeon crawler. And yeah, I'm really excited to work on this project. All right, I'll see y'all later.